Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center. Today we have a Vivo V20 SE with a cracked display and a bent housing. So David is here with us to try to fix the issue. So let's go. So this is going to be a standard fix for us, but later on we're going to realize another issue about this repair. So first thing we're going to do is remove the back cover on this Vivo S20, and it's got this plastic back cover that we can easily remove. Since it's already slightly bent, there's some gaps on the back cover itself that made it easier for us to remove the cover. So we have strong adhesives on the sides that we need to cut off literally with a scissor to make it work faster. We're gonna do that, and now it's off. Next thing we're gonna do is try to remove the cover for the main board. So this is kind of a secondary layer that holds onto the camera systems, protect the connectors. So we're just gonna mark some screws so that we know which holes they go to when we try to reassemble them later. You can see that the smartphone is wobbling all over the desk because it's not flat, it's slightly bent and curved. You can see there. Next, we're gonna remove the SIM card tray. It's a good idea to remove this one because you can't remove the main board with that attached. In this case, you can't remove the cover for the housing without removing the SIM card tray. So this goes around the back of the display. It's just held on by clips. I'm gonna slowly lift it up. Now it's off. The main board is also has a different cover, but it's part of the housing cover at the back. We have the connectors for the battery, the daughter board, charging, and the display. So we're gonna attach the display. And this is where the problem comes in. This is not compatible with this old version of Vivo V20. So we're gonna order a different display for this one. So David is gonna try to put it in, but the connectors are different. So this is kind of a pending repair for now. We're just going to show you the realities of smartphone repairs here in Sydney CBD, but I hope you enjoy this, guys. Watch out for our part 2, and as always, cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.